Question number 9. What is that? The height in centimeter of 160 sunflower plants were measured. The results are summarized on the following cumulative frequency diagram. 160 sunflowers. So that's the cumulative frequency that's given. Okay. Next is use the graph to estimate the number of plants with height less than 100. Less than 100. Okay, it will intersect somewhere here. Less than 100, right? So this line will give us answer. Oh yeah, here. So I think this gap is 10, so 140. Why 40? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh yes guys, so yeah, this gap is 40, so 1 2 3. So what about this much gap? This whole gap is 40, but we can say 10 gaps. This 10 gaps give us 40 value. So one gap will give us 4. So here we have 3 gaps, so the value will be 12. So guys, this value will be, this much gap will be 12, and this is 120. So this point should be, according to me, 120 plus 12, 132 here. Right here I should get 132. So now, what was the question, by the way? Use the graph to estimate the number of plants with less than 100 centimeter. With less than 100 centimeters. Okay, my bad. Less than 100 centimeters. So we have to check height here, right? Not this way. Okay. So we need to erase this. Okay, we need to erase. Okay guys, so use the graph to estimate the number of plants with height less than 100. Okay, so less than 100. Understood. So guys, this gap is 40, right? So this will be 20 gap, so 120, that's 100. So this will be 100. So now go up. Oh, here. So use the graph to estimate the number of plants with height less than, that's 60. Okay, that's 60. Next, use the graph to estimate the 65th percentile of the distribution. 65th percentile. Yes guys, so 65th percentile means 65% of total. How much total is 160 of 160? So 0.65 times 160. How much? This is 0.6. This is 0.65 times 160. So this is 104. Okay. So guys, 104. Where is 104? Here. Yeah, here. Okay. Here actually somewhere. It's a very tedious work. I personally, I don't like this type of question. That's pretty simple, but too much work. Okay, here, so it's 120, and how much? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes guys, so this is 120 and this is 160. So here, oh, how much gap? Yeah, it's 40 gap, right? It comes in the middle. Can I say it's 140 according to me? Yeah, so yeah, use the graph to estimate 65th percentile of the distribution. So that will be, guys, 140 centimeter. Okay, but they will give you some range for this type of questions. Okay, next is use the graph to estimate the interquartile range of the height of these plants. Again, guys, it's again a very simple question. We need to find lower quartile n over fourth value. So it is 160, right? 160 over fourth value. And what is that? 160 over 4, that is 40th one. And upper quartile, that's at 3n over fourth value. So 3 times 160 over 4, that is 120th value. So can we find lower quartile, guys? 40th one. 40th one. Okay. Okay, this much. What is that? Yes, guys, I think it is around 76. Please check. And next is 120. 120 is this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, somewhere here it is like 150. Okay, so guys, we got this 76, and here we got 150. So IQR is upper quartile minus lower quartile. So that is 150 minus 76. How much? 150 minus 76, that is 74. Okay.